My name is Jake, and today we're going to be talking about the privacy settings that you may want to consider when you're setting up your new LoRa Meshtastic radio, like this Oligo T-Echo or whatever it is you have. Most people, when they get into this, or they do so because they're interested in or believe in, being able to communicate and converse with other people and remain private if they so choose, right? They value their privacy. So if you don't do some basic settings, then you might expose your information to people that you don't want to have your information, like your location. So the three areas we're primarily going to talk about is the Bluetooth settings, your location settings, or position settings as it's listed in the radio configuration menu, and your channel select.